Experts claim that the improper body posture is the major cause of problems and pain in the joints, legs, and back. Such issues may cause even more complications, so they need to be treated on time. This natural remedy restores the proper function of knees and joints and enhances the structure of bones and ameliorates their consistency. This is how to prepare this gelatin treatment. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 40 grams, 8 teaspoons flax seeds, 4 tablespoons sesame seeds, 40 grams pumpkin seeds, 200 grams honey. Instructions: in a larger bowl, mix the ingredients listed above, and stir well until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then, transfer the remedy in a glass jar. Use: you should use this remedy daily. Take a teaspoon twice a day, before your breakfast and lunch. This treatment will enhance the elasticity of the tendons and ligaments, strengthen the bones and joints, and will additionally stimulate the metabolism,